Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 143. If we start with this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here and a 6 here, so this is our 7. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this top row, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 5, 1. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, all we're missing is a 6. That 6 makes this our 2, 6. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column, all we're missing is a 2. For this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.